Hello, today I will teach you object oriented programming and the topic is file input output. In object oriented programming, basically we will use the syntax for Java. What is file input output operation? That means I need to input some data onto the file, and in some situation and depending on the condition I need to output those values from the file, and when required you need to display it. In a file, some input stream is there. File in Java basically is a text file, and onto this file we need to input some data. The data will be inputted through the keyboard and can be viewed onto the console, and when required that will be outputted onto the console and it will be retrieved from the file. With an example I will explain it how it will be work, what are the relevant syntax or what are the relevant keyword that can be used in Java. Now, before going to this program, we need to know which package basically contains all these things. Java.io package contains nearly every class you might ever need to perform input and output in Java. All these streams represent an input source and an output destination. The stream in the java.io package supports many data such as primitives, object, localized, characters, and many type of data. A stream can be defined as a sequence of data. In text file, you can see it. There are basically two kind of stream, input stream and output stream. Already I have discussed. In input stream is used to read data from the source, and the output stream is used to write something onto the destination. Now, Java provides strongly but flexible support for I/O related files, and that can be distributed on the network also. Also, we have some idea about the byte stream. Java byte stream also is used to perform input and output 8-bit of on bytes condition. Though there are many classes related to this byte stream that can be used for file input stream and file output stream. These all are the example of byte stream that can also be used in Java. Another thing I like to discuss very fast, character stream. Java byte stream are used to perform input and output of 8-bit bytes, whereas Java character stream are used to perform input and output for 16-bit Unicode. Unicode formations will be there. Though there are many classes related to character stream, but the most frequently used classes are file reader and file writer. Though internally file reader uses file input stream and the file writer uses file output stream. But here the major difference is that file reader reads 2 bytes at a time. File reader reads 2 bytes at a time, and file writer writes 2 bytes at a time. Now, first of all, before going to this program, what you have to do, you need to you need to create a file. You need to create a file before inserting the data. In Java, these are the package that you need to import, that are need to import. This is the, I have created a class, public class. This is the public class, and suppose name of the class is CRF. Create a file. Okay, I have started this program. Public static void. This is my program. Now first of all, you have to create an object of file. Object of file type. Now initialize it. This is the code to create it. Now if it is create, just display this created. This is the system dot output dot println. If it is not created, then the file will not be exist, or if the path not defined or another type of exception occur, then you can write it there. System.out.println. Error will be there. Okay. Now after creating, now you need to write it. You need to write some character onto the file. Now what you have to do? Again you have to create a object for file writer class. File writer class. In similar way, you have to define it. File writer, object, new file writer, and that will be the text. Now another thing, here this code you need to write here. Okay. A string or data will be there. You can take it from the user. Okay. Or here I have written statically. So in that way, the data will be written onto the file. And suppose this is the name of the file already you have written. Clear? Now you need to read that. You need to read that file. You have create an object R, and the class is scanner class. Scanner class basically used to read or inputting data, something like that. Here you have used to read it. Okay. And the name of the object is R. You initialized with this object. With this object you initialized that contains some data. After that you have to read all the characters. Okay. You need to read all the characters. This is a keyword has next line. Now file writer, this is basically will be used for this purpose. This package will be used for this purpose. Okay. For reading purpose, file and IO exception is required. File writer is not required. Okay. So this is the actual way you have to do. Now it will be continue until you go to the next line. That means the next line exists. If it does not exist, it will stop and the data will be printed one by one. System.out.println. This is the very basic programming concept to create a file, to read from the file, and to write something onto the file. Thank you.